Do you know, why is the Abrams tank so expensive? Firstly, the Abrams tank incorporates cutting-edge technologies. It is equipped with advanced armor, including composite and modular designs, which provide superior protection against a wide range of threats, such as anti-tank missiles and improvised explosive devices. The tank's ballistic and explosive reactive armor systems significantly increase crew survivability, but also add to the overall cost of the vehicle. Secondly, the Abrams tank boasts formidable firepower. It is armed with a powerful 120mm smoothbore gun, capable of firing a variety of high-velocity projectiles. The tank's advanced fire control system, which includes laser thermal sights and digital targeting systems, ensures exceptional accuracy and engagement capabilities. Thirdly, the Abrams tank undergoes rigorous testing and development processes. To ensure its operational effectiveness and survivability, the tank undergoes extensive testing in various environments, including extreme conditions such as extreme temperatures, rough terrains, and live fire exercises. This level of testing adds to the overall cost of the tank, but ensures that it meets the demanding requirements of modern warfare. Furthermore, the Abrams tank offers unparalleled capabilities on the battlefield. Its combination of advanced armor, firepower, and mobility grants it a significant advantage in modern warfare scenarios. The tank's speed, maneuverability, and cross-country capabilities enable it to dominate the battlefield and engage threats effectively. The high cost of the Abrams tank reflects the investment in these capabilities, ensuring the U.S. military maintains a technological edge and battlefield superiority.